Hello, dear students. You are most welcome in our English YouTube channel, English Literature and Grammar class. Dear students, as you know, we are enjoying the famous poem Alexander Pist, and its subtitle is The Power of Music. This poem was composed by John Dryden in 1697 on the day of Saint Cecilia, and this song is composed in the form of ode. And as you know, ode is a song sung in praise of some god or goddess as some natural entity. And this song is sung in praise of Alexander's feast and the power of music. The feast, a great celebration, was organized by Alexander in the capital of Persia named Persepolis on the occasion of great victory over Persia. And in the opening lines of this poem, Dryden tells us about the Alexander the Great who has won Persia, and now he was sitting on a high dais, yeah, on his royal throne. He was surrounded by his valiant companions, and by his side his beautiful beloved Thais was also sitting there. And other side, Timotheus, who was a great musician, was also sitting on a high dais, and he was also surrounded by his musical band. And the celebration was going on, and music was being played by Timotheus. Timotheus past started, we can say he starts his music from the story of the birth of Alexander. He played the he played his lyre along with his musical bands of musicians. He sings he sang a love song, and he starts that his when he moves his fingers fast on lyre. The only sound and notes rise in the sky, and these heavenly music notes as reached in the heaven, the god of gods named Jove, who also attracted and influenced by these notes, that he left his seats of heaven, and he comes down on earth. He disguised himself in a fiery dragon, and he comes on the earth. And on the earth, as he came in the contact of Olympia, who was the most beautiful lady in the world, and she was the beauty of pride. Jove, God, loved Olympia, and he intercrossed with her. And as a result of that, Olympia became pregnant and gave birth such brave son whose name whose name was Alexander, which we also call as Sikandar Mahan. And such son, who is the same image of God Jove. So such kind of music was played by Timotheus, and the impact of such music was on Alexander's mind, that Alexander accepted this story, and he started to consider himself as the son of God and as the real God, because he is the son of God Jau. And all other audience who are also present there and listening this story in the form of song, they were also so much influenced and affected that they started to applaud Alexander Great as the present deity, as the living God. So Alexander and his surroundings and his assistants were intoxicated by this love song and the story which was sung by Timotheus. So it is the power of music. Dryden wants to say that this is the power of music which lay impact on the mind of Alexander and his followers. Now he changed the music and song, and now he starts to play, to play music in the praise of Bacchus. So let's start the present lines which are being presented in the in the praise of Bacchus. Bacchus was the god of wine. The praise of Bacchus, then the sweet musicians sung of Bacchus ever fair and ever young. The jolly god in triumph comes, sound the trumpet, beat the drums flushed with purple grace, and he saws his honest face. Now give the hot boy breath, he comes. The praise of Bacchus. Then the sweet musician sang. The sweet musician Timotheus started to sing in the praise of Bacchus, in the praise of wine god, and of Bacchus ever fair and ever young. How was Bacchus? He tells us that Bacchus was ever fair and ever young. He was ever fair and ever young, the jolly god, and the jolly god, jolly god in triumph comes. Timotheus praises, praised of Bacchus like this manner. Bacchus was ever fair and ever young god. He was also known as the jolly god. And in triumph comes, and he comes. Where is triumph? Victory. Triumph means victory. Sound the trumpet, beat the drums. So, in the honor of Bacchus, Timotheus ordered his musicians to play the trumpet, to beat the drums, in the praise of jolly god Bacchus. Flushed with the purple grace, he shows his honest face. He says that with purple grace, he shows his honest face. Whenever triumph comes, the jolly god presents there, and he comes there with a purple grace on his cheeks, a face, and he shows his original face there. Now give the hot boy breath, he comes, he comes. Now give the hot boy breath. Hot boys means blowing instruments which are played by air, mouth air, breath. Because he comes. He here referred to for Bacchus. Bacchus has come, Bacchus has come, so he orders his musicians to play hautboys instruments, blowing instruments, to feel breath, and to play the hautboys musical instruments in the honor of and in the praise of Bacchus. Dear students, I will again explain you in Hindi. The praise of Bacchus, then the sweet musician sung. Sweet musician sung, sweet musician means Timotheus. बकस जो शराब का देवता माना जाता है उसकी प्रशंसा में गीत गाता है, म्यूजिक संगीत बजाता है और कहता है कि बकस वह हमेशा फेयर और यंग देवता है। वह एक ऐसा जोली देवता है, जोली मीन्स हैप्पी देवता है जो हमेशा कम्स इन ट्रम्प जो हमेशा विजय, जहाँ विजय मिलती है वहाँ पर आता है। साउंड द ट्रम्पेट, बीट द ड्रम्स, और वह ये कहता है कि ट्रम्प बजाया जाए और ड्रम को पीटा जाए ताकि संगीत की हायर ध्वनि में अपने पर्पल रोजी चेहरे को लेकर के और वह अपने ओरिजिनल चेहरे को लेकर के और वो उपस्थित होता है। नाउ गिव द हॉट बॉय ब्रेथ, ही कम्स, वो आता है, इसीलिए अब मुँह से फूंक से बजने वाले वाद्य यंत्रों को बजाया जाए। इस प्रकार से बकस जो शराब का देवता है और शराब पीने के बाद में जिसके गाल लाल हो जाते हैं, जिसका चेहरा पर्पल कलर का हो जाता है और जो हमेशा विजय वाले स्थान पर आता है, ऐसे उस देवता के सम्मान में हॉट बॉयज़ नामक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाया जाए। बकस एवर फेयर एंड एवर यंग, Bacchus, ever fair and young, drinking joys did first ordain. Bacchus' blessings are a treasure, drinking is the soldier's pleasure. Rich the treasure, sweet the pleasure, sweet is pleasure of pain. Bacchus, ever fair and ever young. This line is repeated by the poet. Bacchus, the god of wine. Ever fair is always fair and young. He never gets ordinance. Drinking joy did first ordain. As Bacchus comes, he orders for drinking joy. It means to say that the first drinking joy is the first joy. Bacchus' blessings are treasure, and Bacchus' blessings are a treasure. Treasure means khajana. Drinking is the soldier's pleasure. Here, poet celebrates that the drinking is the great source of pleasure, and it is the great source of pleasure even for soldiers who have fought bravely in the war, and after ending war, they enjoy the drinking, and through drinking, they feel great pleasure. So, he wants to say that drinking is the great source for the soldiers' pleasure and reach the treasure. And when any person is in drinking state, he feels that he has great treasure, he is reached of great treasure. There is no lack of something. Sweet the pleasure, and pleasures are the sweet because they gives happiness to everyone. So pleasures are sweet, and sweet is pleasure after pain. And when there is any kind of tiredness, and after drinking, the pain transfers are changed into pleasures, and pleasures gives sweet because they give us happiness. So in these lines, Dryden tells us the merits of drinking wine, and Bacchus was the god of wine, and he calls that the drink is the great source of pleasure, and it is also the rich treasure. And it's when somebody is in pain and he takes wine after pain, this wine, the intoxications of the wine makes him feel the great pleasure. So pleasures brings happiness, and that's why they are sweet. Now I also explain you in Hindi. बकस जो शराब का देवता है वह हमेशा प्यार और यंग रहने वाला देवता है। उसके अनुसार ड्रिंकिंग जॉय सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर का क्रम का जॉय आनंद है, और जो इस प्रकार का ड्रिंकिंग जॉय करता है उसके ऊपर बकस की महान कृपा और आशीर्वाद रहता है। ड्रिंकिंग इज़ द सोल्जर्स प्लेजर, और ड्रिंकिंग युद्ध में लड़ने के बाद जो थकान हो जाती है सैनिकों को, उन सैनिकों की खुशी का भी एक खजाना है। और ड्रिंकिंग पर्सन हमेशा अपने आप को एक रिच ट्रेजर से भरा हुआ मानता है, और एक तरह से ड्रिंकिंग हमेशा खुशियाँ लाती है, प्रसन्नता लाती है, इसीलिए वे स्वीट है। एक स्वीट इज़ प्लेजर आफ्टर पेन, और जब कभी थकान और दर्द होता है शरीर में तो शराब पीने के बाद में वो थकान दूर हो जाती है और प्लेजर प्रसन्नता या तंदुरुस्ती आती है, और इसीलिए इसको स्वीट भी कहा गया है कि सच का टाइप ऑफ प्लेजर इज ऑल्सो ए स्वीट प्लेजर। Soothed with the sound, the king grew in, fought all his battles over again, and thrice he routed all his foes, and thrice he slew the slain. The moss saw the madness rise, his glowing cheeks, his ardent eyes, and while he heaven and earth defied, changed his hand and checked his pride. Soothed, soothed with sound, the king grew in. Now Dryden shows us the impact of music on the brain of King Alexander. The song and music which was sung in praise of Bacchus, who was a god of wine. And what is the impact of this music on the mind of Alexander? It is showing in these lines by Dryden. Soothed with the sound. Soothed means pleased with this sound. The king grew vain. King means Alexander, Sikandar Mahan. Grew vain, feels proud himself. After pleased with this musical sound, this intoxicated musical sound, Alexander Great felt himself very proud. He, because we know that in wine condition, in drinking condition, any person loses his control on his emotions and his feelings, and he lost his control on his sense of feelings. He lost his rational thinking. So Alexander has also lost his rational thinking, and he has forgot present and future, and so he lost his rational thinking, and he went into the world of imagination, because in the state of drinking any persons who starts to live in the imaginative world. So Alexander also fought all his battles over again. In intoxicated state of mind, Alexander Great started to fight all his battles over again. In imagination, Alexander started to fight bravely war over again, and thrice he rotated all his foes, and thrice he slew the slain, and thrice he rotated in imagination. He rotated, he crushed, he defeated all his foes. Foes means enemies. He defeated all his enemies three times, and thrice he slew the slain. And in three times, and thricely, he slew means killed the slain, the dead persons who have already killed by him in past war. So in imagination, Alexander fought his battles, and he defeated all his enemies thricely, and even he killed all them who were already killed by him in past battles. The master saw the madness rise. His glowing cheeks, his ardent eyes. The master saw the madness rise. The master. The master here refers to the great magician Timotheus. So looked the madness. The master saw the madness rise. Timotheus looked the madness rise. Looked the growing rise means growing madness on the face of, in the mind of Alexander. His glowing cheeks and his glowing shining cheeks, his ardent eyes and his brightened eyes and shining cheeks. Timotheus looked at the impact of the intoxicated music which was being played by him on the mind of Alexander. In the impact, as the impact of the power music, he looked the growing madness on Alexander's mind. His cheeks became glowing because, because a drinking person's after drink a drunkard's person's cheeks becomes reddish and his eyes shine glittered, and like this Alexander's growing madness and his glowing cheeks and his ardent eyes are all the impacts of music. And while he heaven and earth defied, and meanwhile in intoxicated condition, he means Alexander, heaven and earth defied. He forgot the presence of heaven and earth, and he lived in the world of imagination, in intoxicating condition. Changed his hand and checked his pride. When Timotheus found Alexander in great madness state, he changed his hand, he changed his music and checked his pride, and in this way he controlled his pride, Alexander's pride, madness. So I will also explain you in Hindi suited with the sound. इस प्रकार बक्कस की प्रशंसा में गाए जाने वाले इन प्रकृति के उत्तेजित संगीत को सुन करके और उससे प्रसन्न होकर के द किंग ग्रीवेन, सिकंदर महान, जो राजा सिकंदर महान है, वह घमंडी हो जाता है। ग्रीवेन घमंडी हो जाता है, या वह अपने आप पर से कंट्रोल नियंत्रण खो देता है और वह अपनी कल्पना के संसार में चला जाता है। जैसे जिस बिना ये हम कह सकते हैं कि म्यूजिक का पावर भी शराब के नशे जैसा ही है। बिना शराब पिए हुए भी अलेक्जेंडर एक शराबी की तरह अलग ही संसार में चला जाता है, कल्पना के संसार में चला जाता है, और वो कल्पना में फॉर्स ऑल इज बैटल्स ओवर अगेन, वो अपने सारे पिछले युद्धों को लड़ने लगता है और उसमें 3 बार अपने थ्राइस ही रोटेड ऑल हिज फोज, और वह अपने दुश्मनों को 3 बार फिर से पराजित कर देता है, और 3 बार थ्राइस ही स्लू द स्लेन, और 3 बार वह अपने दुश्मनों को जो स्लू द स्लेन मीन्स जिनको मार दिया गया है उनको स्लू किल्ड करता है, 3 बार और मारता है। द मास्टर शो द मैडनेस राइज, और इस प्रकार से कल्पना के नशे में या कल्पना लोक में जिस प्रकार से अलेक्जेंडर खो गया है, वह अपने दुश्मनों से लड़ता है और दुश्मनों को 3 बार हरा देता है और 3 बार मरे हुओं को मार देता है। ऐसी स्थिति को देख करके और मास्टर जब देखता है द मैडनेस राइज, अलेक्जेंडर के दिमाग में अलेक्जेंडर पर चढ़ती हुई बढ़ती हुई पागलपन या नशे को देखता है, उसके इस ग्लोइंग चिक्स, उसके चमकते हुए रोजी चिक्स को देखता है और उसके आर्डेंट आइज, उसकी चमकदार आँखों को देखता है, जैसे कि किसी व्यक्ति की शराब पीने के बाद में आँखें लाल हो जाती है और गाल चमकीले हो जाते हैं और पागलपन का जैसे नशा होता है। जब ऐसी स्थिति में अलेक्जेंडर को देखता है और वह ही हेवन एंड अर्थ डिफाइड, और जब वह पृथ्वी और स्वर्ग को भूल जाता है, जैसे कि स्वर्ग और अर्थ की स्थिति का पता नहीं, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर का पता नहीं, वो पास्ट के लोक में जीने लगता है। ऐसी स्थिति को देख करके चेंज हिज हैंड एंड टेक्ड हिज प्राइड, चेंज हिज हैंड, वो अपने म्यूजिक को चेंज कर देता है और इस जो टॉक्सिकेटेड जो म्यूजिक बजाया जा रहा है उसको रोक देता है। वो अपने बैंड्स को, म्यूजिशियंस को इशारा करता है कि इस को चेंज कर दीजिए, टेक दिस प्राइड। और जैसे ही म्यूजिक चेंज होता है उसका फीलिंग भी और नशा भी उतर जाता है। तो दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ, वी कैन से दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ म्यूजिक which is played by Timotheus, and this was being experimented by the Timotheus on the um, on the on the mind of Alexander. So this is the uh, song and music which was played by Timotheus, and the impact of music on the mind of Alexander. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, dear students.